In order to make plastic malleable enough to bend, you need to apply heat. This video is a general overview of our commonly used equipment for heat bending. The first piece of equipment we'll look at is a 4-foot heater located inside the fabrication room. There are 3 of them that work all the same way. These can be used to bend nearly any type of plastic up to a 1/4 inch thick. Bending anything thicker than a 1/4 inch can be done, but it becomes less efficient. There are also limitations on these heaters due to the 4-foot width of the heater. If the parts are wider than 2 feet, the ability to bend efficiently decreases and using the 8-foot heater would be recommended. The first step in making these heaters work is to plug it in. These 4-foot heaters run on a dedicated 20 amp circuit. You'll notice the cord end and the outlet are not standard. Now that there is power coming into the unit, we can select any wire or set of wires to receive the current. Current running through the wire in the channels generates the heat. There are 4 wires on this heater. They are color-coded from front to back as red, yellow, blue, and black as shown here. There are also 4 color-coded temperature control knobs and a power switch for each. These coincide with the color-coded wires on the heater. When the power is turned on for a wire, the power switch should light up. The control knob can be adjusted by turning it to the desired setting. 1 is the lowest or coolest setting, 10 is the highest or hottest setting. The area that you wish to bend on a part should be directly aligned with the wire on the heater. To achieve this consistently, we use the built-in fence on the heater. This fence consists of a metal bar with a knob on both ends. Loosen the knobs to adjust the fence to a desired dimension. In addition to adjusting the heater fence, you may also need to adjust the wire location depending on the size of the part you are bending or when multiple bends will be done at the same time. To do this, you will need 5mm and 3mm Allen wrenches that should be located on the side of the heater. There's a screw on each end of the heater channel, as well as one in the center. Loosen these screws, adjust the channel as needed, and then retighten the screws. Because we are applying heat to parts, we will need to allow time to cool before the parts are ready to be moved to a skid. The cooling phase is where we set the desired angle on the part. This is typically done using fences. These fences can be adjusted to the proper angle by first loosening the knobs on both sides. Using a protractor, set the fence to a desired angle and tighten the knobs while holding the fence.